Hello there and welcome. This video is going to be about attaching my GoPro to my helmet with a microphone. So I use a GoPro Hero 8, so that means I'll need a media mod, because the media mod has the ports for a microphone there, you see, because with the GoPro Hero 8 the USB port is under the battery cover, so you've got to take the battery cover off for you to use that port. So this will just slide into here like so. See the connector there? It just slides into the USB port and you clip that closed like that. And then of course your mounts for your GoPro just come out like so. And then you get the other mount, which is this one. I've put an adapter on there so my GoPro is facing the right way. So get that and attach it onto there. And then I get my microphone, which is a drift microphone, with this port on there. Then just fit it in the back. And then with the wire, because you've got loads of wire, you just wrap it around the mount like that. So I'd leave it about that length. Just put that there. So you notice on my helmet, I've put on the curved mount, because that's designed for helmets. Because if you get a pack of mounts, you get like a flat mount and a curved mount for helmets. And of course you put your 3M pad on, and make sure you've got no silicone on the helmet, otherwise your pad won't stick. So if you do sort of polish it, you know, with Mr. Sheen or whatever, just make sure there's no silicone on it, and then your mount will stick properly. And then we fit your GoPro there. You notice I'm running the GoPro upside down. That doesn't matter, it will film the right way up. Because if I put it the other way up, of course it'll be blocking my air vent, and then I'll probably sweat to death, you know, in hot weather or whatever. Right, now we turn the helmet upside down, like so. Of course you've got your microphone here. Another good thing about these Arai helmets is between the cheek pad and the shell of the helmet, there's a nice groove in there where you can just get your microphone and just stuff it in there. You're probably thinking, oh, you know, it'll probably get muffled, you know, you probably won't be able to hear your voice, but you can. I've tried it out. I haven't tried it out on my bike yet, which we're going to do a bit later. So you just stuff that in there. It won't fall out because pressure of your cheeks will be, you know, pinning it against the shell and the inside of the pad. So it'll be well and truly stuck in there. Your helmet naturally sits on your head like that. So just look at the angle of the GoPro. So you just move your GoPro like that, otherwise you'll be filming your tank or your speedo. And you're a bit pissed off because you think you've done a good video, and when you come back and when you see you just filmed the whole ride of your tank. So there you go. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? It's not that bulky. So what I'm going to do now is go and try it out. I don't know if you watched my other videos. I had a bit of a walk around the other day when it was a bit nicer weather. Today I've shown you how to put my GoPro on the helmet. Come on, Molly, coming out for concrete. Bloody junctions like this. quick shifter. So it's the first bike I've ever had with a quick shifter. Poppy. You know, the ABS is working. It's 50 along here. Oh, I'm cold. Need heated grips. Right, let's try it 60. Yeah. Does it work? Yeah. Am I clear? Yeah. I hope. Oh, I'm just talking to myself. Well, we'll be talking to myself anyway, won't I? Well, that was over 60, so was that an Arai? Right, hopefully you like that vid, and if you liked it, press like, hope you can subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.